Hi, we got a package. I got a package. Look what it is. Guys, it's here. It's here. I got a Kindle. Keep watching. So guys, I got a Kindle finally. I wanted a Kindle for the longest time and I was always thinking like, should I get it? Should I not get it? Should I get it? Should I not get it? I do like my paperback books, but I feel that it was finally the time has arrived for me to upgrade. And I travel a lot, you guys know that. So I figured this is a good option if you travel a lot because you don't need to carry big books with you and you can carry literally all your library and just this little thing. I got this fantastic agave green Kindle Paperwhite 32 gigabyte edition. Not the biggest and the better because I was like, go big or go home. This is a one-time purchase. I'm not gonna buy multiple Kindles. I'm not gonna sit here and be like, oh, I should have got the better one, because no, we're getting the good one, okay? I'm paid in installments with Amazon. Amazon is amazing for that. You can pay 5 months, 12 months, depending, on the offer, and 0 interest. So I was like, let's go. With the Kindle, I also got obviously a clear case. I hope this is a good one because this was kind of pricey. This was $11.99, but I mean, I was expecting something a little bit more, I don't know, sturdy, I guess, but this will do. And then obviously, you guys, I got my magnetic base to attach a pop socket, which I don't have today because I wasn't prepared for this purchase. It's just I just did it, you know what I mean? So I need more time to select a good pop socket, but I also got stickers. We got stickers, you guys, because what's the point of having a Kindle if you don't put stickers in the back? Like,
do you even need a Kindle if you don't put stickers in the back?
I'm gonna unpack this and I'm gonna do it with you. Yeah, let's have a look. Let's have a closer look. I am opening this. I literally waited, okay, since this morning. I was like, no, I need to show my beautiful familia, my beautiful people, also known as you, the Kindle. Okay, it's coming out. Oh my God! It's a boy. It's cute. It's tiny. Looks bigger, but no, it's literally the same. This is like the same size. I'm gonna open this. You're probably wondering if you're gonna put stickers at the back, why you got the agave green? I mean, why not? It is beautiful. Lately, I'm feeling a lot like green is my color, and I don't know, one day I might get tired to have stickers and I just want to carry it on with me the way it is. And this is a beautiful green. And it can be a beautiful background for the stickers, if you don't cover the whole background. It's a beautiful color. I'm going to power it on, you guys. Okay, we got the little person. We got the little person under the tree. Is that supposed to be me? I think it's supposed to be me, right? I already like the weight of it. It's very light. Like you literally can read with one hand. You can read in bed like this. It's very light, very comfortable to keep in your hand. So now it's doing its whole thing. I think now I need to set it up. So we're gonna select English. Next, should I select Italian now? Let's leave it to English, okay? Just for the purpose of this video. And then it's doing its own thing. Guys, I'll come back to you as soon as this is fully loaded. We're back. This is a different angle. I'm still here. Hi, I'm still here. So right, so this is, it finished to do its thing. I need to set it up. We got this inside the box. There's nothing else inside the box, as you guys can see. Nothing. So I think this is the charger. It's very well packaged. I do like that. Here, we got this bunch of stuff that probably show you how to charge it. And this is like a cable. Right. There is no freaking... They don't give you the little plug. So yeah, make sure you get a USB plug, a separate USB plug, because they don't give you the plug. You need to buy that. You just get the cable, okay? The cable is a normal USB-A to this. I think this is USB-C. But yeah, get a regular USB. I'm just gonna open it just so you guys see it. That's it. Get a regular You know, this goes inside your Kindle. This is a regular. It comes already charged, already halfway. So let's see. Welcome. So I'm just gonna do the next few steps. And I move my camera again. I think, guys, I'm gonna sign up for Kindle Unlimited just because I want to read a lot of books. And honestly, if you think about it, Kindle Unlimited is like $9.49 a month. I'm getting like 3 months, so I'm getting 3 months for free. It is a deal, 3 months deal. Renews at £9.49 because I live in the UK. I don't know if you're living in the US or anywhere else in the world, it might be a different price for you. But yeah, I'm gonna do that because 3 months and then it renews at £9.49 is literally the price of one book, and you get unlimited books and you get unlimited reading, magazine subscriptions, unlimited audiobooks. Can you listen to audiobooks? Like, really? How would that work? I don't know. But welcome to Kindle Unlimited. We got it. I forgot to say that the Kindle Paperwhite that I got is the one without ads. I heard of stories that if you buy the one with ads and you later call Amazon or contact their customer service online, they can remove that for you for free. I don't know if it's true or not. I personally didn't mind to pay the extra tenner, you know, to remove the ads. If you want to save some money, you can do that. Introducing the Kindle experience. I'm just going to show you what it does. Quick access to settings. So now it's showing me, okay, it's like telling me, look, here's the library, here's home. So, you know, it's showing you where everything is. Right, guys, so this is it. Look how beautiful. I already have some books, Audible, and also I think I purchased in the past like books, so I think they're all stored in here. But it is light, it is beautiful. My very first impression, I'm like, yes, yes, yes. Right, let me click on this book that I think I downloaded a while ago. It was just a sample of it. It's Manifesting Your Magical Life by Redley Valentine. If you know, you know. I do like my new age books. Do not judge. I see you. I see that look. Do not judge. Okay, right, so it's downloading it right now. So the good thing about Kindle is that you don't need Wi-Fi to read your books, but you need Wi-Fi to download your books to read them at a later time when you don't have Wi-Fi. So make sure that before you go on holiday or on a plane or God knows where, that there's no Wi-Fi. Make sure your books are all downloaded. Worst case scenario, apparently you can hotspot your Kindle to your phone. So if you have unlimited data or just data on your mobile phone, you can do that. Okay. Reading on your Kindle. To turn the page, swipe anywhere or tap the sides of the screen. Oh, you can also tap the sides to turn page. I didn't know that. This is what it looks like. All right, it's like a book. The good thing, what I like already is that it is an electrical device. There is light, but the light is adjusting to the outside condition, and also it doesn't strain your eyes. There's a big difference when you like read something on your phone, like you can see the blue light that kind of make you blind and stuff, but this is very easy on the eyes. It's like easy to read. For the people that have a Kindle, that you have the option to make your font bigger, smaller, also change the type of fonts. You can set all your books with that font. Let me see if I press and hold on a word, because English is not my first language. I do read in English because I do like to read books in their original language if possible. Let's say I don't know the meaning of the word faith, so I click and hold on the word faith, and I'm getting like a literally dictionary. It's not really focusing, sorry guys. I'm getting a dictionary explanation, you know, of the word faith, you know, complete trust or confidence in someone or something. You can highlight. I just noticed you can highlight right there. You can highlight, and if you guys know, I'm very much into annotation lately, and that's another hobby that will probably make a video about it. But yeah, you can also do that. You can literally annotate or highlight whatever is important in here and maybe transfer it to your book, to your paper book. You can take a note. So you can also take a note and then you type. You have a little keyboard. It is really pretty cool, like guys, not gonna lie to you, like this is pretty awesome. The power button, by the way, it's below here, and this is where you charge it. When you turn it off, you get like a picture, So I think you can put your own pictures there. Let's decorate, guys. I will do a more in-depth review once I use it for a little bit, and I will tell you the pros and the cons. So stay tuned on this channel. Make sure you subscribe. But for the time being, I'm gonna show you what I got. We got this plastic cover, which I'm trying to open, but this is what it's like. Oh no! I got the wrong one. We're back, guys. Okay, a few days later, I got a new cover. I got a refund for the other one because make sure you read your descriptions when you order something. Oh, mind my wet hair. I just took a shower. Let's open this. Don't make it easy. Alright, this should be fine. Let's try it on. Let's try it on. This should fit. This is a complete clear case. So yeah, let's give it a go. Yeah, it fits perfect. I'm not gonna put it on because we're gonna have to decorate it, but yeah, it fit perfectly. So yay, we got a case. So now we can proceed. I bought some stickers and I was gonna show you them all, but some of them don't really make sense to me. So I picked and selected the one that we're gonna use today for my decoration. As you guys know, I'm a big fan of Decor, and so I picked two different kind of sets. One, it was a regular hippie style vibe, like new age. So, and the other one is the Decor series. So we got a few stickers here, and these are the selection. I'll show you one by one, but it's gonna be a little bit boring. Perfect. So you guys now have a clear view of my little table, but don't mind my hands, okay? No manicure. Alright, so these are the stickers that I picked. So we got pretty much some Decor mixed with like some new age quotes and stuff like that. These are so cute, and they're all from Amazon. They're kind of cheap as well. Like I paid like £5 for like, I think it's 60 or 120 pieces. But yeah. So these are the stickers that I'm gonna have to work with. Now, this is my Kindle. We're gonna have to move this. This is how it's gonna be. So we're gonna put them face down. So, alright. So I kinda like this book one. So this can go here. I'm not gonna stick them to the case because I'm one of those people that always change. I like to change like my cover and get new stickers and stuff like that. So I don't want anything permanent. So I don't know about this. Wild Soul. Think hippie thoughts. Let's see. In a world full of princes, I'm a witch. Yes. Yes. That would be me. Follow your dreams. We can put that here. I kind of want to overlap them and kind of cover them up. Okay. I guess we're gonna see the final result only at the end. Don't let the hard days win. That's kind of inspiring. Then obviously Rysand. We're gonna have to put Rysand. I'm gonna put Tamlin as well. I am still at the second book, so I'm still a little bit team. You know, I like both. I like both of them, to be fair. I don't know. I don't think this is Farah. This is not Farah. It doesn't look like... Or maybe it's a very dark version of Farah. We're not going to put her. Akotar. Yeah, I think this should do for now. And there's just a little gap here that I wanted to cover. But maybe I can put this a little bit more down like so. And maybe this more like so. I think we got them all. So now I'm going to place this... like so, and wish me good luck before I destroy things. And the final result. Wow, this is kind of cool. I like what I did. I mean, these two are kind of overlapping, but it looks pretty cool. I'm looking at it right now. What do you guys think? Do you think I did a good job? I would probably have to move them a little bit, but it looks pretty neat. And this reminds me, this is supposed to be Velaris, I think. Yeah. So yeah, I did a good job. And I also like that it's a green background, exactly why I picked a green agave Kindle. Okay, now, the other part, I don't really know how to attach this. I don't know if this was supposed to go first. Please don't tell me that this was probably was gonna go first. So we might have to, I don't know, look into it. I don't know how these work, but we're gonna test. So there is a sticker here. Is there a sticker? Oh yeah, there is a lot. There is a lot, and I don't know. I don't know how this works. All right, I guess we're gonna try to make it central. I know there is a way to make it super central. I don't know if I want to lower it. I want to lower here or more like central up here. What do you guys think? Which one is the most comfortable, like to hold it? Do you know? I don't know. So we have extra ones just in case. I'm gonna change it at a later day. This one I will have to stick on the case, but that's okay. All right, we're gonna stick it, you guys. We're gonna stick it. All right. This is my final choice. A little bit. I think this should be it. There we go. Ooh, that really, that really worked. That really works, you guys. Just so you know, it's really big time magnetic. So we go here, like so, and then the pop socket goes here. Kinda, you know, it's okay, I guess. It's gonna look cute. I know it's gonna be, it's like a little bit on top of Ryzen. I will actually try to move these stickers a little bit more on the side maybe, but it's okay. We see them. Maybe I should have moved Tamlin over here and Ryzen there, but it's okay. This is the final product, you guys. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment down below. Also, you can select what picture to put on your Kindle. I didn't select one, this is the random one, but you can also do this, and I'm gonna show it to you since you guys have a better view right now than later. Okay, you go to screen and brightness, and then show covers on lock screen. That's what you select, right? And then when you turn it off, like I'm gonna do, right? If you do this, it should show you the book that you're currently reading right now, and that's the result. Look how cute. I think it's super cute, you guys. Super worth it. We love the decoration. We love what we did. And yeah, that's that. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing, which was a little bit hectic, but that's how my life is normally. I'm very happy with the Kindle. As you guys can see, it is super small, super cute, but I think it's really beautiful, you guys. It's really worth it. And you don't have to carry big books with you. You can go anywhere. You can, you know, like decorate it and make it yours. Like, you know, I think it's amazing. So 100% recommend it. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure you leave a thumbs up and also comment down below. And I will see you real soon, you guys. Stay well, stay safe, and enjoy your holidays and your reading. Bye.